Sincerest thanks to everyone, for our media friends for showing up tonight. You know, it's been a great pleasure with working with all of you. There's no way that we can further our mission as an organization or purpose if not with the support of all of you. So really thank you very much, and needless to say, I look forward to working much closer with all of you in 2026. So, but for now, let's enjoy each other's company, and I'm wishing all of you and your families a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to our media partners. So, on behalf of Sun Life Investment Management and Trust Corporation, we're the newest company of Sun Life Philippines, and we really recognize the contribution of our media partners in order for us to continue the awareness campaign as we partner with you to demystify investment management concepts, delivering the most relevant investment news to the public and to all our clients. And for 2026, we look forward to a more peaceful, less controversial, and hopefully a more stable and recovering financial market for next year. So I look forward to continue to partner with you. Every request for a comment or any request to appear in any of your shows, definitely we try our best to accommodate, because we recognize the fact that through our media partners, this is the only way that we can continue to disseminate and relay all the things that we need to help and reach out to our investing public. So with that, thank you, and hope we enjoy the singing and hopefully dancing later here. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, we first have to draw some winners.
Yes, Sir Mike.
Be here as well. On behalf of Standard Rep, I would like to thank all of you, our media partners, for the constant trust and collaboration all these years. Standard Rep is having a great year this year. In fact, for the third quarter results, IC Insurance Commission results, Standard Rep is growing, having the fastest growth in our new business premium at 53%. And this tremendous performance is contributed by our strong collaboration with our bank insurance partner, which is RCBC. At the same time, we are also growing heavily our insured in the underserved segment of the economy of our population, primarily focusing on insuring millions of nanays. And together with their families, so we're able to insure and reach out to more Filipinos this year. Alam niyo ba na being financially secure, being financially prepared is something that I truly and strongly advocate. This is because my father died very early, and I saw my mom stood up as our padre de familia, and really raising each one of us, me and my four siblings, to complete our education. And that's why this partnership with the media is very important, because I see all of you as playing a very key role in promulgating the importance of financial literacy and being prepared for the future. Through your collaboration, through your work, actually, we're able to secure more Filipinos here in the country. And with your continued support, I'm sure we will be able to reach out to more Filipinos, especially the underserved. So maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta, and Merry Christmas!
Bright evening to everyone, to all our friends and partners from the media. It is really our pleasure to have you join us in this event, and we thank you for braving holiday traffic, for joining us tonight. And we're really happy to have all of you with us today. This year, Sun Life had a year-long celebration of our 130th anniversary. That's 130 years of serving generations of Filipino families, helping them secure their future through insurance and investment products, expert advice, and caring service. This is a legacy that we are very proud of as the first and longest standing life insurance company in the Philippines. Of course, a milestone like this would not have been possible without the support of our media friends. Your storytelling and your commitment to sharing timely and trusted information has helped us reach more Filipinos, and with our purpose of helping our countrymen achieve lifetime financial security and live healthier lives. You have continued to share and shine a light on Sun Life's story and advocacy. And for that, we are truly, truly deeply grateful. Our 130th anniversary theme, Brighter Together, captures how we see our partnership. The brighter future we all want to build is only possible with the work that we're doing side by side. Industry, media, communities, and clients, each bringing light to the stories that matter. As we look ahead to the year to come, our promise remains the same: to serve with integrity, to innovate with purpose, and to keep people at the heart of everything that we do. And of course, Sun Life will help keep showing up for you as your partner for life. On behalf of Sun Life, we thank you for the trust and the support you've given us through the years. Please enjoy the rest of the evening, and here's so many more stories that we will tell together. Cheers and happy holidays.
Thank you very much. I know I've been in the job for just less than 7 months. So nevertheless, I'd like to thank you for all of the great stories that you've told. And I look forward to the next few years that we will be working together. There's going to be a lot of exciting stuff that you can anticipate from Sun Life, from Sloppy, as you know, Sun Life of Canada, Philippines, next year and the years to come. I hope, as like what Carla said, let's tell that story together. I know I actually have a prepared speech, but having dealt or engaged with media for quite some time now, I know that the safest way when you go to a room full of media people is to read off a script or a prepared speech, but I don't think media, they prefer that you speak basically out of the heart because they're going to get some sound bites that you could use. No? But I'm going to keep it short so to manage the risk. So just the message of thanks and a message of looking forward to working, and of course a message of Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Keep it at that for now and look forward to working with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.